underneath the glove box, we're going to take this panel off. Take these screws out. Use a 7mm socket. Right there. Grab the panel. Just slide it out. It is connected right there. That's okay. There's a couple of wires underneath here. You want to pop those off. Just slide a trim tool underneath and just pry these up. Try not to break it. And if there's a connector connected to them, that's okay. Don't worry about it. You don't have to disconnect them. And slide that out of the way. Disconnect the connector that goes from the resistor to the motor. You can just use a screwdriver, push up on the tab. Disconnect it right there. You're just pushing up on that tab. And there's 3 bolts that hold the motor in. Use a 5.5mm socket. Take those bolts out. There you go, that slips down. And slide it right out. Take the new blower motor. This blower motor happens to have a plastic housing that covers the vent, so you want to line that up with where the vent goes. So see where that vent tube is? It's going to go over that. Just like that. Just make sure none of the wires are getting pinched. And once they're all in, you can snug those down. Now line that connector up, lock it down. Now put this panel in position, re-secure the wires, the connectors, and the retainers. Put the 2 screws in. Down. Just snug them up.